Hey Courtney, my name is Nathan Miller, and I wanted to reach out to you today to see if you'd be interested in meeting with me. I know that you guys run a pretty hefty Google AdWords campaign, and I work with customers on their campaigns as well to make sure that they're getting the best return on investment. I know a lot of customers, when I first meet with them, they're frustrated. They want more tracking to know exactly what kind of return they're getting from it. They also, once we look into their campaigns, realize they are not being as specific as they should with keywords or geographies that they're targeting. And I just wanted to see when the last time was you had a second set of eyes put on it and see if you'd be interested in sitting down with me. If you would be, give me a shout at the number below. I'd love to come up and meet you personally and see if I can help. Thank you.